Assalamu alaikum Tati Bacho. As paro is fifth math. Farouk wanted to give vegetables in his friends. He gave Rafika 1/3 of these tomatoes and 1/5 of his tomatoes and 1/3 of his tomatoes. Shamaya got 2/3 of tomatoes and 3/6 of potatoes. Yasmina got rest of these vegetables. Circle Rafika's share in blue. Circle Somaya's share in yellow. Which is like a total number. So Farouk gave Rafika to 1/3 of the tomato and 1/3 of potato. Total number of tomatoes get 20. Rafika share 1/4 into 20. So go 1/5 into 20. Go 5 ones are 5, 4 is 20. So goes 4 tomatoes. Total number of potatoes are the Rafika share is 1/3 of it is of 18. So go 1/3 into 18. Go 3 ones are 3, 3 sixes are 18. Go 6 tomatoes. Somaya got 2/3 of tomatoes and 3/6 of potatoes. So we got 2/3 into 20. 2/5 into 20. 2/5 into 20 goes 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 4 twos are 8. Go 3/6 of 18. Go 3/6 into 18 is equal to 3. 6 ones are 6, 6 8 is are 13. So go 6 8 is are 13. So goes 9 tomatoes. Go solution. Total number of tomatoes is equal to 20. Rafika got 4 tomatoes and Somaya got 8 tomatoes. Sum of both. Go 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Go remaining tomatoes. REMINING remaining tomatoes. TOMATO. Go 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. Go Yasmina got 8 tomatoes. 8 tomatoes. Acha Rafika got 6 potatoes and Somaya got 9 potatoes. POTATOES. Sum of both. हमने दोनों ने जमा को 6 जमा 9 is equal to 15. Remaining potatoes. REMINING potatoes. POTATOES. Go 18 minus 15. So goes is equal to 3. Go Yasmina got 3 potatoes. आज गो यूटी इंशाल्लाह को समझ भी बाकी वसलम.